Welcome back to another edition of Gigi Cooks Healthy Meals, where tonight we're making these creamy white chicken enchiladas using these egg life wraps with only a total of 5 ingredients. Now these are high in protein, low in carbs, and perfect for a weeknight meal. They are easy to make, so let me show you how to do it. Let's get into it.
You're going to need 2 cups of cooked shredded rotisserie chicken, 1 cup of light Alfredo sauce, 1 cup of reduced fat mozzarella cheese, and 1 can 4 ounces of diced green chilies drained, and 1 package of egg life wraps. Be sure to preheat your oven at 375 degrees. Spray a 13 by 9-inch pilot dish with nonstick spray. Drain a 4-ounce can of green chilies. Add that to a bowl with 2 cups of rotisserie shredded chicken. Stir that mixture well, and to that you're going to add a half a cup of light Alfredo sauce. Begin to start stuffing your egg life wraps into enchiladas. Line them up, seam side down, just like this. Continue on until you fill the entire 13 by 9-inch tray. Fold it, put it seam down into the pan. Add a half a cup of your light Alfredo sauce across the top. Smooth that out until everything is covered. Sprinkle 1 cup of mozzarella cheese across the top. Make sure that everything gets covered. Use the entire cup of mozzarella cheese. Place the dish into the oven and cook for 25 minutes. Look how amazing that this came out. This dish is delicious, it's low carb, and it's great tasting. It is the great solution for a weeknight meal when you don't have a lot of time, and it's only 5 ingredients. Let's go ahead and plate this up. If you haven't done so already, make sure you subscribe to my channel and give this video a thumbs up.
Well, I hope you enjoyed this video on making these creamy white chicken enchiladas with only 5 ingredients using these egg life wraps. Now, I made a video using these egg life wraps making lasagna, the low carb style, and it had over 16,000 views. So if you're looking for an easy dinner to make, this is the one to make. Thank you for watching another edition of Gigi Cooks Healthy Meals.